Good day, everybody. Trust you guys are well on this beautiful day. I don't know what you're going through. I don't know what you're facing. I don't know your current condition. I don't know. But allow me to tell you this. God is faithful. God is still merciful. God will still come through for you. Despite your situations, despite your criticism, despite what they said for you, despite what the enemy threw at you, despite everything, acknowledge God. Despite your current situation, I'm here to tell you, your situation cannot compare to what God can still do to you. They can name you, they can shame you, they can badmouth you, but I'm here to tell you, the moment you rise, the moment the people will come back to you and start speaking good things, I'm here to tell you, you be you, despite everything, and know that God will provide and God will come through. Be blessed.